Opens Help menu when pressed with Windows button. Hides. Displays ribbon menu in Excel and Word when hit with Control button.
Alt plus Control plus F2 opens Document Library in Microsoft Office, allows you to edit the selected folder or file name in Windows Explorer, edits the active cell in Microsoft Excel. Control plus F2 displays a print preview in Microsoft Word.
Opens Search feature in Windows Explorer. Shift plus F3 lets you change from lowercase to uppercase to all caps in Word. Opens Find feature in Firefox and Chrome. Opens Mission Control on an Apple computer running Mac OS X.
Alt plus F4 closes window, places the cursor in the address bar in Explorer.
Start slideshow in PowerPoint, refreshes internet browser pages. Control plus F5 will completely refresh a web page, clearing the cache and downloads all content again. Opens Find and Replace in Microsoft Office.
Goes to the next page in a split screen in Microsoft Word. Control plus Shift plus F6 lets you easily switch between Word documents.
Alt plus F7 does a spelling and grammar check in Microsoft Word. Shift plus F7 open Thesaurus in Microsoft Word.
In Excel, enables extend mode for arrow keys, enables safe mode in Windows, displays a thumbnail image for all workspaces in Mac OS.
Refreshes document in Microsoft Word. Sends and receives emails in Outlook. Control plus F9 inserts empty fields into Word. Displays a thumbnail for each window in a single workspace in Mac OS 10.3 or later.
Opens menu bar. Control plus F10 maximizes window in Word. Shift plus F10 does the same thing as a right click. Exits and enter full screen mode in browsers. Shift plus F11 adds a new spreadsheet in Excel, hides all open windows and shows the desktop in Mac OS 10.4 or later. F12 opens Save as in Word. Shift plus F12 saves Word document. Control plus F12 opens Word document. Control plus Shift plus F12 prints Word document in Mac OS 10.4 or later. F12 shows and hides the dashboard.